Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious guacamole. First, gather your fresh ingredients for the best flavor. You'll need 3 to 4 ripe avocados, 1/4 of a red onion, 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro, the juice of 1 lime, and salt and pepper to taste. Choosing perfectly ripe avocados is crucial for that smooth, rich base. The other ingredients will layer in vibrant, fresh notes, creating a balanced and irresistible dip. Now let's prepare those avocados. Carefully cut each avocado in half lengthwise around the pit. Gently twist the halves apart. To remove the pit, strike it with the sharp edge of a knife, then twist and lift it out. Use a spoon to scoop the creamy green flesh into a medium-sized bowl. Mash the avocado with a fork or a potato masher until it reaches your preferred consistency, whether chunky or smooth. Next, it's time to build those amazing flavors. Finely dice about 1/4 of a red onion and chop 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. Add these to your mashed avocado. Squeeze in the juice of 1 fresh lime, which not only adds tang but also helps prevent browning. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Gently fold all the ingredients together until they are well combined, but be careful not to overmix. Your homemade guacamole is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with your favorite tortilla chips, fresh vegetables, or as a topping for tacos and burritos. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container. To keep it fresh and prevent browning, press a layer of plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the guacamole before sealing the container. And speaking of easy, if you're looking for ways to simplify your meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. This method helps maintain its vibrant green color and delicious taste for longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.